Welcome to Sego Investment, where we show you how to make your money work, even while you sleep. What if I told you that with just $30 a week, you could build a portfolio strong enough to earn over $5,500 in monthly passive income in the future? No risky trading. No overnight miracles. Just smart, consistent investing with two powerful ETFs, SPYI and QQQI. Most people think you need thousands to start investing, but that's not true. All you need is $30 per week, roughly the cost of one restaurant meal, and a commitment to stay consistent. Small amounts invested smartly can grow into something life-changing. Let's talk about where your money should go. SPYI invests in the 500 biggest U.S. companies, the giants of industry, and adds a covered call strategy to earn extra monthly income. QQQI follows the NASDAQ 100, the world's top tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, and also generates consistent monthly cash flow through option premiums. Together, SPYI and QQQI give you the best of both worlds, market growth and monthly income. Now let's run the numbers. You invest $30 a week. That's about $120 a month or $1,560 a year. Assuming a 9 to 10% average annual return, your portfolio could grow like this. Year 5, you've invested $7,800 worth around $9,600. Year 10, you've invested $15,600 worth around $25,000. Year 20, you've invested $31,200 worth $95,000 to $110,000. Year 30, your investments could exceed $550,000. And that portfolio can generate about $5,500 per month in income through dividends and covered call payouts from SPYI and QQQI. That's the power of time and discipline. Small weekly steps leading to lifelong freedom. SPYI gives you safety and stability, exposure to America's largest companies. QQQI gives you growth, exposure to innovative tech giants. SPYI protects your portfolio when markets dip. QQQI accelerates your returns when markets rise. Together, they form a diversified, income-generating powerhouse. The greatest investors don't chase quick profits. They let time do the heavy lifting. Even with $30 a week, consistency beats timing every single time. Because when your money compounds, it starts earning on itself. And that's when the real magic begins. Open a brokerage account in Fidelity, Schwab, or Interactive Brokers. All these 3 brokerage have goodwill market value and reputed in trading operation for long time. Here we will show Interactive Brokers details where you can easily open account with proper verifications. After open an account and deposit, you can easily trade any stock or ETF. Search for SPYI and QQQI. Set up $30 weekly investments. You can see your margin and leverage as well. Turn on dividend reinvestment in account options, which will help you to make auto-invest of dividend that you will get every month. Regarding dividend, you will get notifications via email every month, and after auto-reinvesting, you will get email with daily report. It will be easy to track and give you confidence to trade and invest securely. Stay consistent no matter what the market does. The best time to invest was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Subscribe and like us for more exciting insights with Sego Investment, where small investments create big futures.